Hello students, welcome to my channel Arithmetical Progression for class 11th. This is the second video for 11th class. Arithmetical progression is related. Two rules already been done in my previous video related with the arithmetical progression. Arithmetical progression के दो definite rule जो हमने नए सिखाए थे, that was not in the course of 10th class में नहीं थे. It is in class 11th. तो 11th कोर्स में दो रूल बताए, तीन रूल बताए थे, डिवीजन के, मल्टीप्लिकेशन के और सब्सट्रैक्शन के, एडिशन के. ओके, अब ये एक दो रूल और हैं. If the nth term of an AP is a linear expression in n, it means an plus b, then it will be an AP with the common difference equal to the coefficient of n. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर किसी AP की nth टर्म को एक लीनियर इक्वेशंस के रूप में प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, अगर if nth term of an AP can be represented by an linear equations in n in the form of this, it means an, if an can be written in the form of, if an can be written in the form of an plus b, then we will obtain that AP arithmetical progressions. उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस जो होगा that will be the coefficient of n. coefficient of n क्या है, इसमें a होगा. मल्टीपल ऑफ कोफिशिएंट मींस मल्टीपल ऑफ a. प्रूफ करते हैं. प्रूफ देखते हैं. अरिथमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशंस क्या है, an. एक्सप्रेशन से an इज इक्वल टू a इंटू n प्लस b. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. You get a1 will be equal to a plus b. a2 will be equal to a 2a plus b. a3 will be equal to 3a plus b and so on. Okay. Then this is the arithmetical progressions. Let us suppose what is the common difference. Common difference will be a2 minus a1. That is 2a plus b minus a plus b. That is only a. Okay. a3 minus a2. This is also equal to 3a minus plus b minus 2a minus b and further equal to a. A is what? A is nothing but the coefficient of n. This is what? This is common difference. It means common difference will be equal to the coefficient of n. Yes, it is okay. The common difference is a, that is also the coefficient of n in the given equation. Coefficient of n in the given equation. गिवन इक्वेशन है, इसके अंदर n का कोएफिशिएंट a ही है. इट इज वेरी मच ट्रू. ओके. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, इफ द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स ऑफ एन AP इज एन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस in n as Sn is equal to an square plus bx plus c, then it will be an AP with a common difference of 2a. This is to be proved. एक ऐसी अरिथमेटिकल सीरीज है जिसकी Sn को हम इस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से शो कर सकते हैं. उस केस में ये प्रूफ कीजिए that we will get an arithmetical series also जिसका कॉमन डिफरेंस 2a होगा. Now how can we find? इसको करते हैं. ठीक, इसको करना शुरू करते हैं. Sn is equal to a n square plus b n plus c. Okay, this is n, not x. Okay, a n square plus b n plus c. This is the क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है इन टर्म्स ऑफ n. n में निकालनी है ना, n में क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन लेनी है. दिस इज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Let's suppose Sn can be denoted by this. It means Sn minus 1. How can we write Sn minus 1? Sn minus 1 means n की जगह n minus 1 रख दे. It means it will be a into n minus one whole square plus b into n minus 1 plus c. Correct? Very much correct. This is a summary up to the nth term. This is summary up to the n minus 1th term. It means if Sn minus 1 will get nth term. Example के लिए supposing these are series 2, 4, 6, 5, 8, 6, 8 and 10. These are sequence series. तो summary up to 6 is equal to 12 and summary up to 4 is 6. So summary up to this minus summary up to this will be the 6 itself. तीन टर्म के थर्ड टर्म की summary minus second टर्म तक की summary will be equal to the value of the third term. ठीक है? Summary up to the 8 terms minus summary up to the third term will be equal to the summary up to the 4 terms minus summary up to the third terms will be the fourth term itself. Same is the over here. Summary up to the n terms minus summary up to the n minus terms means a term number n itself. ठीक है? एक बार फिर से सुनिए. This is the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Now summary up to the third term is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 9. Okay. Third term तक summary 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. Summary up to the second term is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then summary up to the third term minus summary up to the second term will be equal to simple 9. It means third term itself. Okay. In the same way, summary up to the nth terms minus summary up to the n minus 4th term. It means it is the nth term itself. Okay. This will be equal to this one is a n square plus b into n plus c minus इसका होल स्क्वायर खोलेंगे a n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2 a n. This is also a will be get multiplied. चलिए okay plus b into n minus b plus c. This will be the full form. Okay. Correct? This is small. Okay. Now we are opening it. This will be a n square plus b n plus c will see when minus a n square minus a n square minus a minus sign is a minus a plus 2an minus bn plus b and minus c. Okay, c get cancelled with this, bn get cancelled this, an square get cancelled this. what we are getting here? We are simply getting 2an plus b minus 1. What we will get here? This is 2an minus a plus b. Okay? This is okay. Now, okay, ठीक है? Correct. Now the common difference देखते हैं. Common difference. What will be the common difference? If n is equal to this, then common difference will be what? An will be equal to 2an minus a plus b. Now, putting n is equal to 1, then a1 will be equal to 2 a minus a plus b, that is a plus b. Correct? Okay. Now a2 can be obtained by a2. This will be equal to, putting n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 रखिए. n is equal to 2 रखिए. That is a2 will be equal to 2 times 4 times a, because n is equal to 2 रखा. 4 times a minus a plus b, that is 3a plus b. Okay, correct. Now, difference between a2 minus a1 will be the common difference. Note, find करिए इसको. a2 minus a1 will be the common difference. a2 minus a1. This is what? 3a plus b minus a minus b, that is 2a. That is 2a. This is common difference. This is a2 minus a1 is the common difference. And this is to be proved. Common difference will be 2a. It is 2a. Proved. This is the way to prove. And these are the theory to be in your mind. ये आपको याद रखनी है. आगे आपको काम में आएगी. और thanks for watching my video. Clear concept है, समझ में आया होगा. Keep in touch with me. और भी वीडियोस एपी से रिलेटेड आएंगे. अच्छे क्वेश्चंस फॉर क्लास 11th only. This is the new type new video, because previous videos of related with arithmetical progressions were of class 10th. वो 10वीं क्लास के लिए थे. अभी 11th क्लास के लिए नए नए क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊँगी. उसके बाद ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशंस भी कराऊंगी. और उसके बाद आपको कई सारे टॉपिक्स है, मेंसुरेशन वगैरह सब मैं कराऊंगी. ओके, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मेरे चैनल को देखना ना भूलें प्लीज़. थैंक यू. गुड नाइट. गुड लक.